Give your document a professional feel by strategically using footnotes to clarify information and credit your sources. So to do that, make sure to keep watching on this video. Now the first thing you have to do is open your Microsoft Word document. Click the References tab. Place your cursor where you want the footnote to appear. Click the Insert Footnote option. Then the footnote number will be inserted and a separator bar will be added to the bottom of the page. Now your cursor will automatically be taken to the footnote at the bottom of the page so that you can fill it out. And if you want to make any changes, just click the small arrow and change when your footnotes numbering resets. This is because by default, your footnotes will increase in the number throughout your whole document. But you can also change this so that the numbers restart every page or at the section breaks in the document. Change your footnote formatting, and you can also click Symbol to choose a symbol from the Symbol menu. So that's how you can easily add a footnote into your Microsoft Word document. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.